Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone heading to college or in need of reliable storage solutions. We're talking about the heavy-duty large storage bags by Happy Cheers, designed to make moving and organizing a breeze. These XL Blue moving bags are not just any bags, they're a game-changer. Perfectly compatible with the iconic IKEA Fracta cart, these bags from Happy Cheers offer unparalleled durability and functionality. Crafted from sturdy 200 GSM-coated polypropylene, these bags are built tough. They're waterproof, tear-resistant, and can handle up to 80 pounds of load, making them ideal for moving, storage, and even travel. Whether you're packing for a dorm move-in, storing seasonal clothes, or even planning a road trip, these bags excel. They feature reinforced stitching, top-grade zippers, and multiple carrying options including handles and shoulder straps for easy transport. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best in college dorm essentials or simply need reliable storage solutions, look no further than the heavy-duty large storage bags by Happy Cheers. They're practical, durable, and designed to make your life easier. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on products that make a difference. Until next time, happy organizing!